Hey everyone, it's Megan with Alder Nance, and today is the first day of Vlogmas. And I did not know I was going to do that until just a few minutes ago. It's already about 4:30 in the evening, so I did want to go ahead and just let everyone know I am going to be doing Vlogmas, where I am vlogging the next couple of weeks up until Christmas, and I'll have a new video out every day. So today is December 1st. You will see this video uploaded on December 2nd, where I will go ahead and edit all of my videos at night, and then I'll upload them the following day, and then I'll film my vlog throughout the day, and it just keeps repeating for the entire month of December. I am currently in the middle of making Skylar's winter formal dress. I will go ahead and link up above on whatever side it is, so that you can go and see last year's winter formal dress that I did for her. I am doing a different dress this year. This is the Stanwick bodice that I have done a different neckline. So this is the first mock-up that I am doing for Skylar. And I have changed the neckline into a Queen Anne. I've been working on that. I've got to wait until she gets home. I would include that in today's video, but I know she's not going to really want to be in the videos. And I apologize. I've been missing in action for the last 2 months. I've been dealing with a lot going on personally in my life. I've had Thanksgiving. A lot has been going on, and I have not been able to get myself in here to start sewing. I don't know if my last video had the new background. As you can see, I have completely redone at least part of my office/craft room, and I need to do a lot of cleaning before I really start sharing much of what's going on. So you're probably just mainly going to see the background and stuff. You're not going to see the rest of the office. The office is not all painted black like it is here. It is still the white color, and I'm still working on getting more paint to paint the rest of the office and finish decorating. But as you can see, it's black, gold, green, and I'm really loving the way everything has been going on. I've got a mirror that needs to be fixed a little bit and then put up, things along those lines. And hopefully that'll be part of my Vlogmas, where I share some of my painting and some of the fixes, trying to get the rest of this office fixed up so I can share it with you all. I will also be sharing a pattern drafting video here soon of how I actually changed the Stanwick dress bodice into this. So I'll go ahead and share that with you. So if you want to do this pattern hack, you can. And we're just going to go from there. And I'm just going to share kind of my daily life with you. I've got a lot going on where I'm helping one of my neighbors out with a lot of stuff. And that's been kind of going on, helping her and her husband. They are friends of my brother's best friend from in high school. And I still live really close to where they live, and I've stayed somewhat close with them, helping them out. I've been helping Ryan, helping Skylar, helping James, cleaning house, just doing a bunch of stuff that has kept me from doing videos. So I apologize. I will get caught up on the different videos, including my first look at the different patterns from the Big Four, now Big Five, which I can't wait to share with you those. I will be doing some more Hoslem patterns, and I will be sharing my own launch of the dress that's actually underneath here. And I apologize also, I was going to be doing the walkaway dress challenge, and I got to the point where I cut out the skirt, but didn't do anything else other than pattern draft that out. I need to get caught up on the walkaway dress. I need to finish Skylar's dress. I need to do my own dress, which is this one that's underneath here, to get that one out. I just need to get back into filming. So I'm hoping Vlogmas will help with that. Like I was saying, I'll film every day, edit at night, and then upload the next day and repeat the cycle all the way through Christmas. And I will also share Christmas with you. I'm not really exciting, but I hope you enjoy kind of going along with me and seeing a day in the life of us here at the Alder Nance Household. From my sewing to spending time with my girls and getting things done. We might do a little bit of decorating, saying we have decided that we wanted to completely scrap all of the decorations that were in our house and completely redo everything. So every year we're going to add a little bit more, and I'll share my Christmas tree with you, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.